Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kate. If you're new here, I hope you stop a while, and if you're returning, it's lovely to see you again. Today I'm going to be showing you what's inside my Soapscription, and I'm also going to show you my Feel Unique sample picks as well, because they've come. I thought it's two short videos, so we'll just make one slightly longer. This is how we usually get our bubble tea subscription. It came in a little bag like this because they were running late this month, so we got a little freebie. The freebie was the Bubble Tea Moroccan Mint Tea Body Lotion, and this is 200 ml, which I think is a fantastic thing for them to do. They didn't have to send us anything. They could have just, it is sealed so I'm not going to open it. They could have just sent our package and just us having to deal with it. So that's a fantastic way for the company to give us something. I think a few more companies could learn from them, that's for sure. So I will enjoy that. I'm trying to get better at using body lotion. So you can, Soapscription comes once a month. You can choose which ones you want. You can have, for example, this is a rhubarb and custard one. You get this in 200 ml. It's a great size. This can be used for the bath or the shower gel. This says it's a tangy rhubarb mixed with cream custard in this uplifting bath and shower gel. And you can choose to have two of these sent to you, or one of these and one of these. So this is the strawberry macaroon, and you can use this for bath and shower gel as well, and it's 200 ml. You can sign up for a trial box, and it's £1 for your postage. You get the products free, and it's 200 ml size ones. I'm going to pull this off. I know I shouldn't. I am going to try and smell it, though I'm not holding out hope that I can smell it. Any of it? No. I was watching Charmed Wench, and she just says that it smells so good, and I'm like, oh, I so wish I could smell it. Oh, I can actually get a smell of that one. Rhubarb and custard. That must be a really strong scent then, because my sniffer is well and truly bust. Oh, that does smell lovely. I have to agree with you, Charmed Wench, that rhubarb and custard one, I can actually get a little hint of smell of that, so it must be strong, but that does smell delicious. It says it's tea infused. This will be a childhood favourite with a blend of tangy rhubarb and sweet custard. This bath and shower gel is like no other. Well, it's like no other because I can actually smell it. I'm actually excited to use this one just because I can smell it. I will try the strawberry macaroon again, but no, definitely can't smell that one. Never mind. 1 out of 2 is not bad. I can actually smell something today. I know how excited I get over a shower gel. This says it's a sweet strawberry treat for your bath and shower. So these are just for me. I'm the only girl in the house now because my 2 girlies have grown up and moved out. So hubby and son will not use these. So I probably will end up with a backup of products, but at the moment I'm quite happy to receive 2 a month. So when you get your choices, you can choose 2 of this one, 2 of this one, or 1 of each, and I just like having the 1 of each. But yeah, quite chuffed with that one. Being able to smell it is great. Even the 100 ml samples that you get is a fantastic size, especially if you're going away and you just want to take that with you, then that's great. Now we're moving on to our Feel Unique Peckham X. This is a sample service that's run by Feel Unique, which is a beauty website. And you can choose your 5 products once a month, and it's £3.95 for the service. When you pay that, the £3.95 covers the postage. You do get a voucher back for the £3.95. You can't use that on the Peckham X service or on the beauty kit service that they do, but you can spend it on the website against anything else for the purchase. I think it's 60 days you get to spend it, which I don't mind doing that. So you get the little leaflet saying it's Feel Unique Peckham X is here, and I got a £10 off Bloom and Wild, which is a flower service through the door. And there is a code there if someone wants to use it. I have been told that they come quite flat, as you can see here. But once they've gone on water, they do plump up within a couple of days. Okay. So the first item that I got this time was Super Mud Glam Glow Clearing Treatment. Just thought I'd give this a wee try. So that's a little one there. This is, I usually have this all written down with prices, and I've been that busy redecorating the bedroom, so it's been in a bit of an upheaval. This is 7 grams, so I'll quite happily give that a try. It does say it's a mask, so with my big face, maybe 1, maybe 2, I don't know. We'll try. This next one is a 5ml, and it's from Kiehls, and it's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. I thought masks were the best way to sort of try out different brands. And one of my favourites that I always get when it's on the website, even though I now have a full-size tube of this, it's a Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Scrub, and I love this stuff. So every time it is on there, this is a 2ml sample. The sample does do you one go, and I love it. The next one I got is from Rain, and it's Keep Young and Beautiful Instant Firming Beauty Shot, and it is a 10ml sample. So look forward to giving that a go. I have tried some of the Rain products and they're quite good, and something that we got the last time it was on, I got a couple of times. This is the Climax Mascara, NARS. So I did give the other ones, I put them in girls' stockings at Christmas time, and they were delighted, they love it. So yeah, thought I'd get one for myself this time. So yeah, I got my NARS mascara, Kiehls mask, the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion, the Rain Beauty Shot, and the Glam Glow mask as well. So it's my 5 products, as well as my bubble tea subscription. Are you getting the bubble tea subscription? Have you tried any of the bubble tea products? I'm looking forward to trying this body lotion too. I love mint. Not that I'm sure I could smell it, but hey ho. I'm not opening it just now because it's I've got other stuff on the go. So yeah, I'm going to look forward to trying out these masks and things. Hope you've had a fantastic weekend, and I'll catch you on a video very soon. Bye bye now.